back to my channel. It's me, Miji. I'm back. For today video, guys, actually, again, there is one of my viewers. They are requesting about of Dema Sinapote. Dena Sinapate that there is request that I will make react for the Bon Jovi, all that song of Bon Jovi. I think I make already reaction first before. This is the one that I'll be there for you. I think that one. Na 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 na. Nice, that one. I reaction already last time, and then now also I will make reaction. You know the title is that Bed of Roses. This is also from Bon Jovi. Guys, let's see. There is, you know, that 7.88 million viewers. This one is 3 years ago, actually. We will reaction right now because hopefully I will all that requests of all my viewers, I will do that all reaction and also the Firehouse later one by one, guys. But thank you so much for subscribe to my channel, and then now I getting 3,000. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, guys. But if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below, guys. And then further ado, we will give again that rank for him. You know already how much we are giving all the time, guys. Let's start, guys. I'm so excited to listening that music with the process. I know naman that one. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Start. reaction to him. Already done that music, guys. By the way, before I say anything, thank you, Dema Sinopati, for all that sharing that all that you make acoustic cover. Thank you so much. You know, any acoustic cover is always perfect for me. Okay, I always giving rank to him. Tan da da dan da da dan da dan. Ayan guys, 10 ang ibinigay ko sa kanya. Kasi lagi siyang perfect sa akin. All the time is a good and perfect for me. Because I already listening the voice of him. You know, the way he's a nice even he is doing that guitar. Even he's singing. It's not easy to do like that. It's together. Am I right? My God, guys, it's so amazing. He's an amazing person. He's an amazing artist. Guys, really. I I will more reaction for him. Guys, thank you so much, by the way. Thank you again that someone they are comment to me that the name 1 minute, guys, okay, because there is person that making reaction. Just give me a second. All right, give me a moment. Sorry, I saved already. All right. Nara Bulen. He's making that that Bon Jovi he's requested, and also there is also one he requested also that Firehouse. Guys, actually I will make reaction also for Firehouse, but alternate because some of people also, but I just do it by my side if I can. All right, and also salsa. Today there is also released, right? Today I want to comment that one. I want to reaction today that this one that Dream On. Today there is, I know today because I saw it already. I have planned to do that reaction, but there is comment. Of course, I need to prioritize that who is the one comment, and then hopefully later. But by the way, guys, already done that our reaction is too much long already. But if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below, guys. Thank you to everyone that always support to my channel, guys. I love you all, and bye bye, masalama. See you in my next vlog.